Hi, good evening to all of you. Please understand couple of things with respect to the test day workflow for the candidates. So you are appearing for CAT 21. The flow would be somewhat like this. Let's understand. You are going to take the test on Sunday, 28th of November 2021. बहुत एंशियस हैं आप लोग, बहुत एंजाइटी है, उसको छोड़ दीजिए। 3 स्लॉट्स हैं, आप अपना स्लॉट्स ध्यान से देख लीजिएगा। मॉर्निंग स्लॉट इज 8:30 AM to 10:30 AM. You're supposed to report in the morning at 7 AM. For the second slot, that is 12:30 to 2:30, you're supposed to report at 11 AM. For the third slot, 4:30 to 6:30, you're supposed to report at 3 PM. Now, what all you have to carry? The most important thing that you have to carry is your admit card. Admit card is the most important document for the exam day. A lot of people are asking this query, क्या कैरी करना है, क्या कैरी नहीं करना। तो मैं वापस से क्लियर कर दूं, एडमिट कार्ड सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट डॉक्यूमेंट है जो आपको कैरी करना है। एडमिट कार्ड के ऊपर जो आपकी डिटेल्स है वो आपसे मैच खाना चाहिए। ऐसा नहीं आपका एडमिट कार्ड पे मेरा नाम लिखा हुआ हो। सो द एडमिट कार्ड शुड कैरी योर नेम, एप्लीकेशन नंबर, डेट एंड डे ऑफ टेस्ट, टेस्ट टाइम इन सेशन, रिपोर्टिंग एंड एंट्री टाइम, गेट क्लोजिंग टाइम, सब कुछ लिखा है उसमें। ओके, प्लीज कैरी your admit card. Now, the most important thing, the reference is your application number. Application number printed on the admit card will be used only for identifying the exam lab, console and the test center on the exam day. वहीं तक काम आएगा application number. उसके बाद आपको टेस्ट के लिए they'll be allotting a different number to you, a separate computer, designated computer will be allotted to you. Now, do's for candidates. सबसे पहला, print the admit card on A4 size paper, preferably using a laser printer. Admit card is valid only if the candidate photograph and signature are legibly printed. Try to use a good quality printer. In couple of cases, I have seen color printout अच्छा आ रहा है, लेकिन black and white नहीं आ रहा. So in that case, you can try a color printout also. You will have to make your own arrangements, of course, your own arrangements, including your travel, food, accommodation, and everything. You're not supposed to carry anything inside the test room, that is hall, examination hall. You will have to carry only and only your original ID proof and the printed admit card. This original ID proof could be any eligible. Why I am saying eligible? It should not be an expired, or the date is not expiry of that admit card, so it should be a valid admit card. Now आपको उसके ऊपर एक फोटो पेस्ट करना है। बहुत सारे लोग ये क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं। The photo that you have to paste should be same that you have pasted on your exam day, on your application form, sorry. So the admit card photograph वो एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म पे सेम होगा। नाउ एडमिट कार्ड के नीचे एक डिक्लेरेशन भर रखा है, आपको वो डिक्लेरेशन भी भरना है that you are right now not infected from COVID-19. Okay, so other than this, if you're carrying anything else which is not allowed, item which is not allowed, you will have to take an affidavit. Okay, now important है दोस्तों, खैर आप इसको पढ़ लीजिएगा टेस्ट डॉक्यूमेंट को, इस पे एक डोंट्स भी दे रखा है। Now please look at this don'ts. Please do not try to appear for the test twice, like you have filled in 2 slots, you have 2 admit cards, etc. Don't do all these nonsense activities. Please do not carry any prohibited item like electronic gadgets, etc. Do not attempt to cheat. I mean, it's a very normal instruction that every exam would carry. Do not use keyboard at any point of time. This will lock your computer. So you're advised to use only mouse to answer, to click the answers. Do not disturb other candidates. So they are assuming that you will disturb somebody. But forget this. Do not request for a biobank while inside the exam lab unless it is a medical emergency. Now, You will not wear any jewelry, any metal item. You will not wear shoes with thick soles, garments with large buttons inside the exam lab. Mobile phones, electronic gadgets, watches, calculators, own stationery items, pens, wallets, goggles are strictly not allowed in the examination hall. इसमें डाउट क्या है? मेरे से बहुत सारी क्वेरीज पूछी जा रही है, सर हमको कैसा पैंट पहनना है, कैसा शर्ट पहनना है. अरे I mean, wear a comfortable lower, comfortable upper, where you are comfortable, you are loose, and you can concentrate on the paper. That is more important. So the moment you arrive at the test center, आपको लैब लोकेट करना है. बाहर एक नोटिस बोर्ड लगा होगा जिसपे आपका लैब नंबर लिखा होगा. Then you will have to get your admit card scrutinized. You will have to deposit your mobile bag, etc. in a locker room. Then you will have to undergo a mandatory frisking, and then some thumb verification. Then they will take your I don't know this year what they'll take. Last year, as usual, they were not taking biometric, they were just taking camera scanner. So this is a mandatory frisking. You will have to verify or get your all documents verified. Then you will arrive at the lab. Registration process will begin inside the room. Then you will locate your own computer space, log into the profile page, verify and the confirm information, read instructions, declare to agree, and then you can put on the button start test. And then you will start the test after 40 minutes, your one test, that is section, will be over, and you will move to next section. Automatically you will navigate to section 2. Please save and submit your answers. If you will not save and submit your answers, तो दिक्कत रहेगा. So I think instructions are pretty clear. आप लोगों को बहुत सारी दिक्कत है, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं, मेरे को समझ में नहीं आया ऐसा क्यों पूछ रहे हो. कोई पूछ रहा है मेरे डेंटल इम्प्लांट लगा हुआ है. अरे all these things are there. Metal detector means you are not carrying some metal. Okay, so please go through these instructions and wear comfortable dresses, socks, plain pullovers, sweaters, cardigans are allowed inside the room, inside the lab. So if you feel it's cold, you are in a morning slot, please wear your socks and go. They will not allow you to go in your shoes or in your chappals or in your sandals. Socks पहन के जा सकते हो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. ठीक है. अब you will have to, I mean, it's a very simple process. आप बिल्कुल ऐसे चलते जाओगे, प्रोसेस होता जाएगा, आपको पता भी नहीं पड़ेगा. किसी भी पॉइंट पे आपको कोई दिक्कत लगता है, coordinators are there, and we have also tried 1 or 2 person from our centers should be available. You can contact them in case of any trouble, any problem. टेस्ट फॉर्मेट मैं वापस रिपीट कर रहा हूं. टेस्ट फॉर्मेट 3 सेक्शंस का है, 40 मिनट्स ईच सेक्शन. VARC section 1, LRDA section 2, and Quant section 3. This is what you know. How many questions? They have not clarified here at this stage. Total allotted time is 120 minutes. Some MCQ questions, some non-MCQ questions. Questions with a non-MCQ, they are non-negative in nature. Okay. Now, there are 3 buttons: save and next, clear response, mark for review, and text. So save response, answer, move to the next question. Save response stroke answer, moves to the next question. Clear response clears the selected response, answer for the given question only. Mark for review answered नहीं है. अगर mark for review आपने cancel नहीं किया, or if answered, the response would be recorded and also marked for review later. At the end of the section time, this question would be considered as answered. वापस बोल रहा हूं, review button है, लेकिन review button को आपने review नहीं किया at the end में, तो वो answered consider किया जाता है. So please be careful. Panel on the right hand side, there would be a panel of buttons. Green would display answered questions. Okay. but marked for review. Red, questions visited but neither answered, not marked for review. Violet, marked for review but not answered. Violet with a green tick, marked as a subscript, questions answered but marked for review. Okay, so please be careful when you play with all the tabs. Please go through this document once again. Once again, this is available on IIM website everywhere as test day instructions. Please go through it carefully. Okay, so all this is what you have to keep in mind. I believe it's a short input that I've given you, और इससे कहीं ना कहीं आपको थोड़ा सा बेनिफिट तो पक्का होगा. एक एक्सेप्शन फॉर्म दिया है आपको. अगर आप किसी एक्सेप्शनल सिचुएशन में हैं ऑन द डे ऑफ एग्जाम और आप कुछ एक्सेप्शनल आइटम कैरी करना चाह रहे हैं, in that case you will have to fill in test day exception forms. Okay, so this is all about test day do's and don'ts. Stick to the time limit. Please ensure that you arrive at the test center on time and you finish the paper on time. Otherwise, it will be submitted automatically. So be careful of the time. Wish you all the best. May God bless you. Keep rocking. Come out with flying colors. Bye-bye. Thank you.